Hi everybody, welcome to Tiny Tastemaker. I'm Logan and today we're gonna make something super good. Crispy chicken wings in the air fryer. First, we're gonna pat the wings dry with a paper towel. This gets rid of extra water and helps them get nice and crispy. Now let's grab a Ziploc bag, add the wings, oil, lemon juice, garlic, black pepper, sea salt, oregano, and baking powder. Now with the closed bag, shake it up like you pop that bag in the fridge for at least 1 hour. If you got more time, overnight is even better. While it's marinating, we're gonna reheat our air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot stuff. Now lay the wings in the basket one layer, not too squished. Air needs to move around for that crispy magic. Cook the wings at 380 degrees for 25 minutes. Don't forget to flip them halfway through. Then crank it up to 400 degrees for the last 5 to 7 minutes to get them extra crispy. We're halfway there. Don't forget to flip them. Look at that golden crunch. Let them rest for a minute, then these wings are crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and full of flavor. Thanks for cooking with me on Tiny Taste Masters. If you try this at home, let us know how your wings turn out. See you next time. Bye.